What is going on, LEGO Investor? So today we're going to go over a set that's retiring at the end of 2025. This set I really like, although I'm having mixed feelings about investing in this. This set has been on sale pretty much since it came out. We've had multiple levels of sales, and I really don't like investing in sets that have just extreme variations of sale, meaning they just keep going down, 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 then they go up, then down, then up, and then down, down, down. So I'm torn on this because I need your help. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on this. Do you think there's money to be made with this set if it's at a great price? Or is this something that we should avoid? I know a lot of people have invested in this very, very early. So comment down below will definitely help the channel, help the community. I appreciate you tuning in, but let's dive into it. Today we're talking about Ahsoka Tano's T6 Jedi Shuttle. This is item number 75362. This set is 601 pieces, and it retails for $80. So we got a few minifigures with this set. 4 to be exact. Ahsoka Tano with 2 lightsabers, Sabine Wren with 2 blasters, Professor Huyang with a wrench accessory, and Merrick with double-bladed lightsaber, which Merrick is just awesome. That's a really awesome minifigure. So let's see how these minifigures are doing and just how the set's doing overall. So this set was released September 2023. It's got a price per piece of 13 cents, which is pretty high. And then we got 4 minifigures. 3 of them are exclusive. They all got a value of $28.22. Ahsoka Tano's pulling in 508. Merrick is pulling in 1073, Professor Huyang, however you say his name, 587, and then Sabine 654. And this set has a market price of $72.75. So that seems really high for this set. I want to say this set was on sale, like lowest I think I've seen was $43. And correct me if I'm wrong, I think this was at Costco, and typically Costco is a bad sign when investing in Lego sets, although I could be confusing it with the other Ahsoka Tano set. So this is from the sub-theme Ahsoka, and I just gotta say, I think the show is kind of trash. I like Ahsoka Tano. The history and character is awesome. I think the show is just bad. I think Kathleen Kennedy has destroyed Star Wars along with Bob Iger, and I cannot wait till those two are replaced and eventually we get back on track, because Ahsoka Tano could have been amazing. There's just so many scenes where it's just like, really? Overall, I kind of hope Disney gets bought out one day, because management needs to change, and it will never change until Kathleen Kennedy goes. So let's check out the Ahsoka theme, see how some sets are doing, and see what other sets we got. So we got Chopper, which I want to say overall people like this set. I like it. It's pretty decent. We got the Death Trooper and Night Trooper. This is a pretty solid set, not for investing. We got Battle of Peridea, item number 75385. This set, the minifigures are just amazing in this, so keep an eye on this one. Thanks to Tony for opening my eyes on that one. We got Ghost in the Phantom 2. I love this set. I'm kind of torn on it. I don't think it's going to do well at the beginning, but I think later on people are going to regret not buying it, and I think this could potentially do very, very well. Then we got item number 75364, the New Republic E-Wing versus Shin Hades Starfighter, however you say that. This one retail for $110. Got a value right now of $100. And then our set, which is retiring soon. So let's just take a look at all the Ahsoka Tano sets. So we got item number 7751, Ahsoka's Starfighter and Droids. This one retail for $40. Got a value right now of $341.94. This one has done amazing because it's old. Then we got item number 40539, the Ahsoka Tano Brickheads. I love this set. I've got a bunch of these. This was the probably number one Brickhead set that investors really invested in. Huge inventory levels. This one's going to be a long hold, but I think we'll see decent pricing. And I mean a very long hold. This one retail for $10. Got a value right now of $17.45. Then we got item number 75359, the 332nd Ahsoka Clone Trooper Battle Pack. I don't invest in battle packs, but surprisingly, this one's doing decent. It retails for $20. Got a value right now of $25. This was on sale like for $16 forever. I don't invest in battle packs, but the minifigures are great in that for army building. Then we got Ahsoka's Jedi Interceptor, which is a pretty decent set. And then the Ahsoka Tano magazine gift got a value right now of $7.29. So overall, not a lot of sets for Ahsoka Tano, but Ahsoka Tano, like I said, is extremely popular. Now let's take a look, see if we got any other T6 shuttles. So we got item number 7931, the T6 Jedi Shuttle, which is essentially ours, retail for $60. got a value right now of $266.78. And then we got the T6 Jedi Shuttle, which is the magazine gift, got a value of $502. So let's take a quick look at how this one is. This one is just honestly a straight garbage. Ours is phenomenal compared to this one. This one had awesome minifigures though. So it came with 4 minifigures. One of them were exclusive. Got a value right now of $117.86. We got Anakin Skywalker, $9.97. Obi-Wan Kenobi, $12.71. Saci, $20.25. And Shakti, $74.93. I miss the days of having bangers. I wish we could return to that, but I honestly don't think we ever will. Just the inventory levels are way too high. If Lego would adjust their inventory levels, which they could easily, it would really jumpstart the investing of Lego again, and it would really get people wondering, like, is this set going to do well? Honestly, I think if they did just random inventory levels on certain sets, I honestly think it would help other sets, because you get a lot of people thinking, okay, this one might have lower inventory compared to others. Will this minifigure go insane? It's always a possibility. So how are you feeling about this set? Overall, I like the ship. I think the ship is great. I think the minifigures are pretty decent. I like them, but I think it's been out for too long. So I don't know. I think I will probably avoid this set. While you comment down below, I'm going to go over these sets on eBay. So we got our set pulling in, let's see, $49, $39.97, $35.99. Wow, that is really low. $46.58, $50, $64.88. $50 there, $49.95, $55, $55, $55, $54.97, $47.23, $44.99, $42.98, $54.99, $39.75, $50.99. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's kind of all over the place. We're getting a lot of lows, like $31.50, $34.95. That is really, really bad. That one had box damage, but in the 40 range, that's not a great sign. All right, next up, item number 75364, the Republic E-Wing, $99.78. I mean, $100. This did well if you scored it for a massive discount. If anyone invested in these when they're on clearance and you sold any and made any profits, I want to hear that. $85, $85, $100, $80, $70. I think this one could go up quite a bit. I like the ships. I do think they're decent, but I don't think this one's going to go berserk. But I do think there's some life in this. We could go up a little bit more. All right, next up, item number 40539, the Ahsoka Tano Brickhead, which I love. I invested in many of these. $9. $20, $16.99, $12.95, 50 brickheads, $640. Wow. Someone was trying to clear house there. $17.50, $17.50, $17. Give it a while. This one will hit $30. Could it hit 40? I don't know. I think the inventory levels might be a little bit high, but I definitely think $30 to $40 is a realistic number. All right, item number 75359, the 332nd Ahsoka Clone Trooper Battle Pack, $11.50, $19, $17.94, $25, $14.95. 4 of those for $79.95. $60 for 3 of them, 32 bids, $22, $18. Yeah, it's not doing the best, but it's a battle pack. I mean, these are just so mass produced, but they're used for army building, so I think if you hold these for a really long time, then sell multiple, you could earn some decent profit. All right, lastly, let's take a look at item number 7931, which, let's see, do we have any of this? The OG T6 shuttle, pre-owned, $95, brand new, $200. I mean, the colors, I love the colors in ours. Honestly, I truly do. Pre-owned, $77, $162.66. Brand new, $230, $200, $224.99, $190, $249, $225, $250, $204.99, $125. Overall, pretty decent. You knocked it out of the park if you bought one of these. All right, so how do you feel about this? I like it, but I think I may pass on it. I don't know. Do you think I should buy one just in case? Or do you think I should pass it up? I don't think I'm going to buy it if it was more than probably $40. $40, I might be able to take a risk with it, but we'll see. I think there might be a lot of zombie stock with this, honestly. So I think I might pass it. Shout out to everyone that watches full video. Likes, comments, that's the best way to support this channel. I truly appreciate everyone. But as always, please do your own research. have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.